Hello, I wasn't, oh, the store still wasn't expecting you.
Can I get a tour?
Yeah, of course, come on in. So we're actually in Orlando right now, guys. A little change of plans. But I just want to give you guys a quick hotel room tour because this hotel is so beautiful. Swoo's got it for us and he snapped. He got the aesthetic. So this is the bathroom. How amazing is this mirror? Beautiful. The lighting is on point. You know, doing your makeup, all that stuff. Shower. Did you see it's a rainfall shower? What was that? But yeah, we got the bathroom right here. Full length mirror. Cute. Then we have the room
Where the magic happens.
We have this beautiful king bed. I mean, yeah, that's basically the full room. And we have a couch area. I love the colors. Here's our view of Orlando. Hello guys, I can do a proper intro now, but I just realized I didn't even start this vlog really. It was all montage. So I mentioned in the previous vlog that we were coming here so we can go to Universal with Paula's family, and we were buying tickets super last minute. And guys, tickets for Universal right now are crazy expensive. Like pretty much what I've heard, even on TikTok, I heard that if you're not getting a fast pass, don't even bother going because it's so crowded, it's so packed over there. So a fast pass right now is about $300 because we're going on a Saturday. Today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, which was the day that we're planning on going. So pretty much everybody said that if you're not getting a fast pass, don't bother going because it's so crowded, lines are so long. So then the fast pass is in addition to getting a general admission ticket, and general admissions tickets right now are like $160, $180. So we were looking at like $500 per person, and the price is just so steep, you guys. Obviously, you guys know I love theme parks. I love roller coasters. I would love to go to Universal, but with that price, it's just so hard to justify it because we know we have Universal back in LA. So we're just not going to go to Universal, but obviously we're still going to see Paula and her family while we're out here. So Swoo's actually picked us up from the bus station and he drove us to our hotel. So our hotel is so nice, you guys. It's so new, so modern. And it's so like nice and peaceful. At the end of the day, my main priority was to see Paula while I was out here. So as long as I get to see Paula and go out to dinner later tomorrow or anything like that, I will be just as happy. Pretty much, Swoo's had some work to get done and then we're gonna go get hibachi. So that was kind of like our little tradition back in the day. We'd always go and get hibachi. I really wish Mel and Kayvon were here with us because you guys know Kayvon and Mel love hibachi so much, but they're actually at the zoo today in Palm Springs. And Kayvon looks so cute. Mel dressed him up in this like little rhinoceros shirt, hippopotamus shirt. I don't know which animal it is. And like these super cute little cargo pants with like all these animals on it. Kayvon looks so cute at this park right now. Not the park, the zoo. I'm so used to saying the park. But I wish I could be there with them right now. So bad. I'm missing Kayvon's first zoo day. And Yasmin just went downstairs to grab herself a coffee. This hotel also has this really cute coffee shop downstairs too. So yeah, we're in Orlando. I'm so happy to be here and to see everyone. And you guys probably see on my shirt, I'm rocking Saturn Boy. So if you guys don't know what Saturn Boy is, it's actually Mel's clothing line that is in the works. So if you guys aren't following Saturn Boy's Instagram page, definitely make sure you do because his launches are going to be super limited. So make sure you guys turn on your post notifications on Saturn Boy's Instagram so you don't miss out. This is literally my favorite t-shirt. I wore it to the airport as well. It's so comfortable, you guys. This is not just a t-shirt like a Hanes t-shirt with a logo just like stamped on it. It is not like that at all. These pieces were handmade in California, in Los Angeles, and they're cut and sew, super customized. There's a ton of little details on these shirts, like the collar and the hemming. As you guys can see, it's like distress. These shirts are also super soft and vintage wash. Obviously Mel's gonna do like a whole video on his line, but you guys should definitely follow the Instagram page. And I actually tweeted about this, guys, but I was reading Mel's chart, and do you want to hear something so crazy? So obviously he named the brand Saturn Boy after Kayvon, and it's so crazy that Mel's Saturn is in Pisces. So as you guys see, the brand is called Saturn Boy. It is named after our son Kayvon. So Kayvon's name in Farsi means Saturn, which is why Saturn is just like, you know, our thing. We're always using the Saturn emoji and always saying like I love you to Saturn and back. And then obviously the 555 is the time he was born. But it was so crazy, you guys, when I looked at Mel's chart, his Saturn is in Pisces. Like, what are the odds? Like, he named this brand after his Pisces son, whose name means Saturn. Does that make sense? Like, I don't know. It's just like a crazy coincidence. I love stuff like that. But you know what, guys? Should I do a whole video on Mel and I's birth charts? Because, oh wait, Yasmin's back.
You know what's the funny part?
Got your coffee?
I got my coffee. You know what's the funny part?
What?
I forgot your room number and I just followed your voice because I can hear you.
Oh my god, I'm that loud?
You got hi, cat. Yeah. Oh
but
my god.
I couldn't make out what you were saying.
I'm like,
It was
that's
just-
so
I heard your
embarrassing.
voice.
Literally, that is so embarrassing.
Literally.
There's this one TikToker, you guys, that makes fun of Miami girl accents, and we're like, because we're Miami girls now, we have to say literally. But I was telling them how I got my birth chart, Mel and I's birth charts done. So I got Mel and I's birth charts done, like our love compatibility. And when I tell you guys, this was so crazy accurate on Mel and I's relationship. It was 16 pages long. So it's not just some mumbo jumbo. Literally, it was 16 pages long. It took like a day after I paid for it. I paid like $7 for it. And it took like 24 hours to get to me. But when I tell you guys, this reading was so crazy accurate. And yeah, we can do like a whole video on that. But it's actually so crazy that Mel and I have a ton of Sagittarius in both of our charts. And both of our Venus is in Sagittarius. I was today years old when I found out that an Americano is just 2 shots of espresso with hot water. I had no idea. Remember when I told you I want to get the Breve coffee machine, but I drink like a lot of coffee, so like I want something more than an espresso. An espresso has more caffeine. I know. I don't know. I just thought it was like the type of like it
it
had
has no milk.
I
No.
thought it had like milk, but that's a latte.
I don't like Americanos
That
because they
makes
don't
so
have any
sense.
milk or anything like that. I killed my phone battery on that bus ride. I was on TikTok. I was watching YouTube videos. The bus had Wi-Fi, which was nice. Guys, look at how cute this is. So my mom responded to the story I posted wearing the Saturn Boy t-shirt, and look what she said back. She said back 555. She's so cute. So we're at Hibachi and Kobe. It's called Kobe. And Suze orders us, what is this called? The Scorpion?
A paella, apparently.
Literally, it's called the Scorpion, and it's like a flame in the middle. I'm like, I don't know what this is, but it looks good.
Dive in.
Yes, we
Try
will
it.
dive in. Okay, I'll
you want
try
me
it
to
for you guys on camera. Mom is on vacation. The flame is like hitting my face, huh?
Wow, that's delicious. You don't even taste the alcohol.
This
is a dangerous
yeah,
drink.
This is literal fruit punch.
It's like Capri Sun. What is gonna get you in trouble?
What is the point of this fire?
Aesthetics for Instagram.
I know, I'm like, I'm about to burn my eyebrows off. It's a Mai Tai.
Mai
So
Tai.
similar to a Mai Tai. Rum. My vlog about to go get hibachi every day. Gone to the world.
This is something that not many people get to see. They don't get to see themselves sleep. Look so angelic. How do you look so fashionable in your sleep?
She's gone.
Dang.
She doesn't even feel it. Hey guys, it is the next day. It's a little late start to our day. It's about 2 p.m., 3 p.m. But we are right now at Publix, which is the main grocery store of Florida.
I went from Kroger to Ralph's to now Publix. I'm
Yeah.
just taking tour to grocery stores at this point.
Grocery stores are a huge part of Yasmin's like personality. She goes like once every 3 days.
This
So-
is the one. She's never had a Publix sub, Floridians. This is it.
Floridian
this is the moment.
sub.
This is the moment.
Yes, he kept on telling us about this sandwich at Publix that's so good. And it's so funny because on FaceTime I told Mel that we're going to Publix for this sub, and he's like, oh yeah, Publix has good sandwiches. And I'm like,
He knows.
I was like, how would you know?
knows.
Like as if he's gone to Publix. But he said that it's popular on TikTok. People talk about it on
Can we
TikTok.
stop for a second really quickly? I'm gonna need you to pan down. That way. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh my
How do you like me now? The first pair of Travis Scotts that I've ever liked.
Guys, Swooze wanted an up-close shot of the sandwich being made. So that was courtesy of him. Here's the infamous sub. Wait, I want to wrap mine up.
We asked for a side of ranch. They gave us a whole cup full. I'm gonna shower with this later.
Okay. You've taken a bite already.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
You snooze, you lose, baby.
You ready?
You want some sauce? Wow.
I know after everything, I'm like,
The ranch amplifies it.
the
Try it with
chicken. The chicken is really
that.
good.
Really juicy.
I swear, grocery stores have the best fried chicken.
Why do you think I love them so much?
Where?
Your right side. Got it.
We can do this. Oh, ranch action
yeah.
for all my ranch lovers.
Perfect. So good. We love it. I needed the ranch, you're right. Guys, I didn't bring my vlog camera in here just because y'all know how big and bulky my vlog camera is. But we're at the Millennia Mall. Millennia, so this is called the Mall of Millennia in Orlando. And we're in the Coach store. This is the bag and shoe combo I wanted to buy. It's so cute. Okay, so here's the bag. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy the bag. But they don't have the shoes in my size. But look at this, guys. Either you love them or you hate them. Isn't that so cute? So they go with the purse, a little monochromatic moment. Guys, it's so crazy because, hold on, just take this off because no one's around. But guys, Yasmin used to be obsessed with Coach. Like her 16th birthday, Bob and I went to the Coach store and literally like bought the whole Coach store for her. Yeah. And she got rid of all of her Coach stuff and I'm like, dang, it's like coming back. I know. You could have inspired. I had the bag, I had the earrings, I had the necklace, I had everything. It's like we need to start keeping our stuff. Hey guys, it's been a few hours since we last talked to y'all. And Swoozie brought us over to, what is this place called?
Disney Springs.
Disney Springs. So there's a bunch of cool stores, and the second we walked in,
Let's all get matching onesies.
Onesies.
Matching onesies.
So the second we walked in, I see a Coke store, and you guys know Yas and I love our Coke Zero. We love our Diet Coke. So see, they have like Coke T-shirts.
Get this.
These little booty shorts.
So you.
Oh my God. My ass would swallow those up. Guys, we finally found something Coke Zero in here. There's like no Coke Zero or Diet Coke, really.
It's actually something I need in my life.
That's cute.
Really cute.
Guys, look, Coke has a collaboration with Morphe. Super cool. Y'all, we found our Coke Zero mugs. How cute. Guys, I know the lighting is terrible, but I'm finally reunited with Paulina. Oh, you got the flashlight? Oh, okay. Okay, that's better. She looks so beautiful. Thanks. Look at that haircut, bowdy, and looking cute. But you guys know I'm so excited to see Paulina. I'm so excited. We were supposed to hang out last night, but she said she fell asleep. Makeup and all. Makeup and outdoor clothing and all. She's passed out.
Oh, I know. I mean, I am kind of flaky, but
some things never change, okay? I was like, Paula's a realtor now. She got her shit together.
I got my shit together, but my sleep is like,
no, I get it. She's tired, she's traveling all day. But yeah, we're just about to have fun and hang out. We're about to take off? Yeah, I'm a grown adult now. I know we still think we're like, I swear to God, guys, Paula and I still think we're like 16. And she's like, can we say that we're drinking? Yes, we're drinking, y'all. We're 22. Leave us alone.
When we walked in, we got so excited because we could actually give them our IDs. I was like, it's not sketchy.
I just realized we're probably gonna get copyright talking in that restaurant. But we were just saying, like, we still in our heads, we still think we're like 16. Oh, yeah. To do the most. Like, we literally just like pulled out our IDs and like nothing happened.
I literally said, I was like, must be not nice. Sketchy that we're 5 days apart.
I know, like, literally. And it's like an Ohio so ID close. Too. But it's like so nice to like literally use our IDs, and it's like,
oh, I know. We're like, I can go anywhere I want.
No curfew. If you guys remember that one vlog on 4th of July where
that was so long ago.
Oh my God, I know.
Oh my God.
Now we have no rules. Now we're adults.
We can do whatever we want. My mom can see this if she wants
to.
We're
literally dweebs. I know.
To be 21 while we're 22, like
I know.
It's not even.
No, I was pregnant when I was 21, and then quarantined. Like I gave birth and I was quarantined. So I'm literally in my head. I'm like, I'm still 16.
You were pregnant and then quarantined.
Exactly.
So I have an excuse.
Exactly. We have excuses. Okay, bye. Guys, Paulina is dropping me off.
I look so like weird because I'm so
beautiful.
tired.
I love you so much. I took them to that junior Colombian burger because obviously Paula's from Colombia. How was it with the pink sauce and all that? Was it authentic?
It was authentic.
Really?
It felt like street food.
Where's your Colombia? Oh, you put it in the car.
Oh, I already finished it. Yeah. It was so good. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm about to go in my hotel. Oh my God, look at all the makeup. And actually, no, it's not that bad. It looks worse on camera. But yeah, she had her little, what is this drink? Colombia?
They'll know.
Colombiana?
They'll know.
Comment
if you know what's up.
Yes. Bye, Paulina. Say bye to the Kavari crew.
Bye, Kavari crew.
I told them
guys.
She's gonna come visit me when the backyard is done and for a little staycation.
Oh my God, yes. I need it.
Little staycation. Hey guys, it is our last day in Orlando. Our Uber just came to pick us up. So I think he's watching me like vlog. He's like, if these girls don't hurry up. But we're just leaving the hotel. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update because we're just about to take the Uber over to the bus station and head back to Miami. But we had such a great trip, you guys. We just want to talk about how sweet the barista is at this hotel because Yas and I were just talking about it. So we got our little coffees.
I don't know why I'm writing this, but remember the first day when I told you guys my drink was like $3 and I tipped her like $5? It was the same barista.
Yeah, I didn't know that until I came back.
Yeah, she's so sweet.
I walked to Yasmin and I was like, dude, the barista here is so nice. It's not like she did anything extraordinary, just her energy, just like, she just made my day so much. She was just like a breath of fresh air. She was so nice. She just radiated such good vibes. And when I walked over to Yasmin, she's like, yeah, it was the same girl. And I was like, yeah, I'm like, I tipped her really good too because she was just like the sweetest girl. But yeah, we're just about to get in our Uber and head back. So there's our bus that we're taking back to Orlando. But this area, like the bus stop here, doesn't have like a seating area. Like the one back in Miami, it was at like a terminal type of thing so we could sit. But I'm just sitting on the side of the road. We look so bougie, us on the side of a road with like our lattes. This is yummy. There's this place, Save a Lot. I bought a protein bar from the cafe. Got this one.